Hello, sweet friends, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. I have Louie with me today, and we are doing a HomeGoods haul. I have a variety of things for the home, but I did want to show a few things I bought for the kitchen because I do have that other channel where I talk about weight loss. I figure I'll share some of the things I got for that. I did get extra virgin olive oil. This one is the garlic infused one, and it was on sale. It was $1 off or 99 cents off, but I do like the infused ones. I like also the rosemary infused oils. Those are really good. I did grab some black currant jam. My friends, if you don't know what black currant is, it kind of looks like blueberries, but it's smaller and it's a little bit more tar. So you know how blueberries have antioxidants? This stuff beats it. It has way more antioxidants. It's really good. Yes, it has some sugar, but you know, I don't need a lot of it, just a little bit, possibly in the morning, maybe on my yogurt and my cottage cheese or whatever. Something that I look for at HomeGoods, starting with these are some pretzels. They have 5 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber. Whether you are on a calorie deficit or high protein diet or not, they're really good. I use them as dip for whatever you want, even for a salad like bean salad or Texas caviar salad. These are awesome to use as dippers. So I got a few packs of those. Then I also got some cocoa butter. This is really good to add to yogurts when you're making little high protein desserts. A little cocoa goes a long way. I love this stuff. And then I have these. I am absolutely obsessed with the edamame, but I cannot buy them in that bigger pack because I will eat them all, like the entire thing. So I did buy these because these are individually wrapped 12 pack for $10. That's not bad, and they would be really good for travel or just to keep in your purse just in case you get hungry, because each pack is only 100 calories, 11 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fiber. The numbers on the edamame are really good. All right, that's enough of that. Let's get into the home stuff. You know how like when you're shopping and you see things, you're like, we'll see. I'll grab it, put it in my cart. I'll decide later. Maybe it's a candle, maybe it's, I don't know, whatever it is. But there are things that you see and it flies into the cart before you even have a chance to say anything. This little baby flew into my cart. My goodness, look at this. It's 2-tiered. I like the fact that it has the scalloped top. So if I'm putting like candy in there or something, the scalloped part was going to hold it in place. It is metal, and it was only 20 bucks for this cutie. 2-tiered, that bow, let me just say, it's beautiful. It is absolutely stunning. I just fell in love with it the minute I saw it. It just, I'm telling you, flew in the cart. I could not help it. I could not do anything about it. It was just one of those things that happened. To be honest, that's the cutest thing I got today. I wanted to share with you right away. That's how excited I am about it. Since we're doing the dining room, I also got some Cynthia Raleigh candles. Now, these are, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to tell, they are like pearly at the top. Do you see the shimmer in them? Like pearly at the top, and towards the bottom, they have literally sparkles on them. Kind of like, you know how nails have sparkles on them? That is what they look like. And I thought these would be really nice either for Christmas or for like a girls' night or something, because they're just so elegant and beautiful. Next, I got some placemats. Yes, these are officially for the dining room. Unofficially, these are going to be bags for my wreaths because they're nice, they're white. But if you are going to get these, this is a 12 pack for $20. They also had 12 packs for $16.99, so a little bit cheaper, a few dollars cheaper, but I wanted the white ones. If you want the other ones, I'm telling you, they turned out to be like $1.40 something for the green and the blue. They had a few colors. at my HomeGoods. I also heard people finding them on Temu, Shein, like sites, Alibaba, sites like that are also cheaper and more affordable. But if you can go to HomeGoods and grab these, that's not bad. And especially the blues and greens. The greens are good because you can use them for Christmas, for spring, anywhere where you have greenery, even for fall. I also got this mirror, my friends. I thought it was beautiful. It was $49.99. I need it for my front entrance, right when you enter my house, or when you're leaving the house. I wanted a mirror so I can, you know, just make sure that I don't look like a mess getting out of the house. And the edging on that mirror is like an inch and a half even. It was fairly thick and just looks so beautiful. I did pick up some towels. We have been loving these towels by DKNY. They're white with just a little bit of black trim. I have a lot of these. I use them in my main bathroom downstairs and in our main bathroom. So I just got a few extras. I got a few hand towel ones, and then I got a few big ones. So the big one is, how much is this one? $8.99, and the set of two for the small ones is $12.99. These are such perfect little hand towels for Thanksgiving. And so I need extra pillows because I got rid of a lot of pillows when we moved from Chicago to Charlotte that were kind of, you know, just needed a refresh. So I did get a few sets of those pillows. And look at the bonus on these pillows. I'm doing everything blue and white, and look at the sides right here. I hope you guys can tell. It has like this beautiful blue and white print just on the edge, not on the pillow itself. And the pillow is really thick and just luscious and beautiful and just poofy. I think it's a great deal. I just found the price for it. It was $24.99. We started with the kitchen and we're going to end with the kitchen, but not with food this time. I started by getting this 3-tier shelf. I thought this was such a great idea. $7.99. You know that cabinet that's in the corner? This is what this one would be great for. And I have a shelf where I put a lot of those snacks I kind of showed you already, my high protein stuff. And I thought it would be nice to organize things in this shelf. And this shelf is also good if you have a pantry to put it like in a corner. It's just one of those things every household I feel like needs to have somewhere in the corner if you need it, you know. Apparently I needed sponges. I got a set of these. For some reason, I just fell in love with these lately. I have been using these, and these come in such pretty colors. They have pinks and blues, but I wanted fall colors. I did grab the ones with the pinks in them at first, but I was like, I want to do fall colors, and these are basically my fall colors. The yellow one, that's kind of sunflowery, kind of beautiful color. This one is an orange. This one is like a green, teal green, blue, kind of like it has, well, it's iridescent. And then this this beautiful blue, because my fall colors are blue, white, and of course orange, or maybe yellow, like that combo, that beautiful. Oh my goodness. Is it just me, or are we not ready for fall? Today I went out and it was 106 degrees, my friends. 106 in the car when we went back, and I was a little bit done with the heat, even though I'm cold all the time these days. But I'm just so ready to decorate for fall. My head mentally is decorating for fall. And I wanted to take a second to apologize that I did not show you the summer look. I might just do that before I take the fall, but at this point, I don't know what to do. If you guys still want to see some of the house, maybe I'll do like a house tour for the summer. Definitely let me know in the comments, so I actually get motivated to record it. If you want to see any decor on this channel, I know I've been talking about it, but I feel like I need people to say like, Nadia, we will watch. Just record and post. So if you want to see maybe just a home tour before I take it down for the fall, definitely let me know. You know, everything's not perfect. Everything's not, I'm a simple person, my friends. I'm not a designer. I make wreaths and I love making wreaths, but I'm not a designer. I'm simple people. I'm just throwing that out there. Alrighty, speaking of blue and white, so you guys already know that Nadia likes blue and white. Oh, I forgot to show you guys these. My friend, I was shopping with my friend and she's like, Nadia, this is so you need to grab these. So these are also kitchen sponges, but the reason I got them is they have that gritty, whatever you want to call it, for like pots and pans, like especially like after frying something up. So I thought I would get a pack of these, and they're blue and white, so that was a no-brainer there. Then I did pick up some blue and white towels. Now, when it comes to towels, I like practical versus decor. I'll still have decor, but I do like practical. You know, this is just such a wonderful, wonderful towel. And I love the fact that I can just wipe a dish with it and it's not going to leave any, like, you know, fabric-y stuff. This is just beautiful cotton. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. I love these. Can't wait to wash them and then use them. Very simple, blue and white, just like we like it. And then this last thing is actually something that is new. I mean, the concept is not new. This is. So this is a fridge bin liner. I'm going to open it up so you see it. And it's not like the liners we're used to. Usually in the refrigerator, we're used to like those plasticky liners. These come in so many beautiful prints and colors. I mean, I saw at least 8 different prints at my HomeGoods. And of course, you can guess the one I picked had blue and white on it, right? Look how beautiful this is. And you know what? I'm glad I'm showing this to you because as I open it, I'm hoping you guys, there you go. Can you see the little plastic little dots on there so it does not slide? Ooh, I'm liking this. And the outside is felt, and of course it's gorgeous, but it's felt. It's basically felt, my friends. But this side has those little dots, the plasticky dots, and I am loving this. The whole pack was $7.99. In each pack I get 6 of these. And it's BPA free, durable design, absorb moisture, washable, reusable, earth friendly, trim to fit. I get that. I'm trying to look. Oh, there we go. There's the size. It is 12 inches. I kind of guessed the 12 inches right there. 12 inches by 24. So that is not bad, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I figured if I'm going to actually do this design thing or decor thing, please let me know if that's something you would watch and tell your friends about, because I'm on the brink of I don't know what to do. So let me know if you want to see any decor videos. I will do my best, I promise. I figured later on if I'll be doing decor videos, you're going to see more decor things because I do need decor stuff added to the house on top of what I already got. You know, it's a house always needs stuff, but especially if you just moved in not too long ago, you need stuff, you know. Alrighty, my friends, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for being with me. And if you're still here, my goodness, you are an amazing, sweet, sweet person. Thank you so much. Sending you all my best and wishing you a beautiful and bright day. Bye-bye, my friends. Mwah.